Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily fix the issue with call not showing on WhatsApp. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open WhatsApp application. Once you do, in the call option, you are only able to see the missed calls and when the call arrives, you're not able to see it on the screen. So for that, head toward the app info. Tap and hold on the app icon and click on I icon. Then after go to storage uses. There you will see the option of clear cache. Click on it. Once the cache has been cleared, head toward the app info again and go to app permission. Here you need to make sure the call log permission is allowed. Including the call log, also the notification should be allowed to the WhatsApp application. Even after that, if your issue is not solved, you are suggested to uninstall the WhatsApp application and reinstall it. So that's it. That is how easily you can fix the issue with call not showing in WhatsApp application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.